In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer with a check in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or handling finances for a larger company, there may be instances when you need to issue a refund. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and in just a few steps, you'll be able to record the transaction properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident creating refund checks for your customers. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Let's dive in. First, open your QuickBooks Online interface. On the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This is your starting point to access the various transaction options within QuickBooks. From the list of transaction types that appear, select Check. This will open up a form where you'll input the details of the refund check. Now, in the Payee field, you'll need to enter the name of the person or business to whom the refund is being issued. Make sure to spell the name correctly and double-check that you're selecting the right payee from your records. Next, move to the bank account field. This is where you'll choose the bank account from which the refund amount will be drawn. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct account linked to your business. Once you've done that, scroll down to the Category Details section. Here, you'll need to specify the category for this refund. Select Accounts Receivable to properly categorize the transaction. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. After selecting the category, it's time to enter the refund amount. In the Amount field, type in the exact dollar value of the refund. Double-check this figure to avoid errors. Accuracy is key when managing refunds. Before you finalize the transaction, take a moment to carefully review all the details you've entered. Verify the payee's name, the bank account, the category, and the refund amount. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click on the Save button. This action will record the refund check in QuickBooks Online, completing the process. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to issue a refund with a check in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.